Okay, I want to show you another mole conversion problem. For this problem, we are starting with, let's look, grams. And that would mean we're starting over here. And then we're going to be going to molecules. So we're going to be going over here. So there is no direct route between them. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go here first, convert to mole, and then we'll take that part of the leg of the trip, which means we're going to use this conversion factor, and we're going to use this one. So the first thing I would do is I would write my number that I start with over 1. And it's helpful, I think, to write down what the compound is that you're dealing with. So in this case, it's calcium chloride. Calcium's +2, chloride is -1. So we know that we're going to end up with 2 of these conversions. And the first one is the one where we're going to have to calculate molar mass. So that is something that we can do right away. So there's 1 calcium, and the molar mass is 40.08 on the periodic table. Chlorine, there's 2, and the molar mass is 35.45. So once I multiply 35.45 times 2 and I add that calcium mass, I end up with a molar mass of 110.98. And that's grams in 1 mole, so grams per mole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that number, 110.98, there's that many grams of calcium chloride in 1 mole of calcium chloride. So you can see that my grams of calcium chloride cancel and I'm in mole right now. So I'm really right here. But in the question, they want to know molecules. So I have one more step. So now I'm going to use Avogadro's number. And I'm going to put the Avogadro number on the top. So 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of calcium chloride are in 1 mole of calcium chloride. So you can see then that the moles of calcium chloride cancel and we end up with molecules of calcium chloride being left over. So now we're ready to calculate this on the calculator. And when we do that, I recommend that you multiply the top, divide, multiply, divide, enter. So I'll show you how to do that. So what I would do is I would put in 0.530 times 1, which I don't really have to do, divided by, though, now I'll put in the 110.98. And then I'm going to hit enter. And then now I'm going to multiply by Avogadro's number, 6.02, second, E, 23, enter. So my answer is right here. My beginning number has 3 significant figures. So I want to have 3. So I want my answer to be rounded after the 7. So I'm going to write down 2.87 times 10 to the 21st molecules. Of calcium chloride.